What up, y'all? I'm in the Bronx, New York. I'm about to head into the Salvation Army, see what I can find. Hopefully I can find some fresh digs, some fire digs. I'm gonna take y'all along with me on the trip. Let's get to it. Let's get into this thrift store. Early in the morning, got the thrift store to myself. Trying to find some dope pieces. So far, the best shit I found was that Rick and Morty t-shirt. Well, I'm pretty sure I found all I could find in this store, in this Goodwill. I'm gonna go pay for these t-shirts, then I'm out. Then I'm out. Hello, Cool J. The fuck? This nigga made his own jackets. Jacket is trash though. Not gonna hold you. This is by far the most active thrift store I've been to all day. Now folks in here because they got a half off sale. I don't know if any of that was in focus, but mad people in here. Still came up on some stuff. Got a few digs. I'm about to get out of here though. Go pay for this shit and dip. I'm gonna go to one more thrift store, one more. So I'm finally back on the block after a day of thrifting. I only hit up 4 different stores today, 4 locations, 2 Salvation Armies, 1 Goodwill, and then this other spot, I forget the name. 3 sweaters, 2 t-shirts. Not a bad day, not a bad day. I was looking for some kicks, I was expecting some kicks, but ain't getting no kicks. But now I'm gonna take my black ass upstairs. I'll see y'all next video, alright? Peace.